Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Ford Galaxie 500 two-door hardtop coupe with a 429 cubic inch engine. The new for 1969 429 that Ford replaced the FE motors with, the 385 model, I think they called it. And this one's kind of unique because it's a two-barrel, and it puts out 320 horsepower, but 460 foot-pounds of torque. So it was definitely a torque monster, especially with a two-barrel. But this one was fully restored, and it sold for $17,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Basically a full-size muscle car, and gives you something different to drive at the cruise. And all the work was done. Basically, all you had to do was put some different wheels on it if you like different wheels, and that's about it. You're ready to go. It's ready to cruise. And this was part of the 1969 through 1974 generation, the fourth generation of the Galaxie 500. And they also used the new 429 cubic inch Thunderjet engine that was introduced in the 1968 Ford Thunderbird. It was part of the new Ford 385 engine series. And a four-barrel with dual exhaust, four-barrel, that one was 360 horsepower. And if you had the two-barrel like this one does, you drop down to 320 horsepower, but you still had 460 foot-pounds of torque. Plenty of torque to get you where you wanted to go, that's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.